Arriba la piña, maestro. Ándale.
La piña madura, súbete a cogerla. La piña madura, súbete a cogerla. El guarapo es peso
A la cienaguera,
el guarapo es peso
a la cienaguera,
el guarapo es peso
a la cienaguera,
el guarapo es peso.
a la cienaguera.
¡Oja!
Ay, ay, ay. Esa piña.
Yo no tumbo caña, que la tumbe el viento. Yo no tumbo caña, que la tumbe el viento. Que la tumbe Juana,
Con su movimiento,
que la tumbe Juana,
con su movimiento,
que la tumbe Juana,
con su movimiento,
que la tumbe Juana. ¡Opa!
con su movimiento.
Juana.
¡Ah! ¡Candela! ¡Ay, no, macho! Oye, no falta. ¡Esa piña!
La piña madura, súbete a cogerla. La piña madura, súbete a cogerla. El guarapo es peso,
A la cienaguera,
el guarapo es peso,
a la cienaguera,
el guarapo es peso,
a la cienaguera,
el guarapo es peso.
a la cienaguera.
Come on, Myrtle. Let's go.
All right, you guys, so I'm riding from Ciénaga to Barranquilla today, and I got a really late start. I was staying at this really nice hotel. They were trying to put together a tour of a bay and kind of a bird watching tour, and then there's a little pueblo where all the houses are in stilts. And boy, we tried all day yesterday to put it together, and it just kept falling through. And then this morning they tried again, and it just wasn't happening. And so I kind of got a late start. And I also didn't realize how far it is to Barranquilla. I was kind of expecting that it would be like 45 kilometers, but it turned out it's closer to 70. I was kind of surprised when I opened up the map to get my route. It was like, oh, 71. Oh, that's a lot longer than I expected. But today I'm riding on a little spit of land. It's like 30 miles long. I've got the ocean on my right and a huge bay on my left. And really it's just a long, straight, flat road. And whenever I see roads like this, I always think, oh yeah, I can like eat up the miles here, as people say. But you know, I was just thinking about it, and it's like, I've never been able to eat up the miles. Yeah, this is a pretty flat, straight road here. Nice day for a trike ride. So let's go to Barranquilla.
Ya la marimba coqueta resuena y el bombo empieza a tomar el control. Oigo requinta y platillos que llaman y ya yo empiezo a sentir el calor. Oigo requinta y platillos que llaman y ya yo empiezo a sentir el calor. Muchas parejas engalanadas por todas partes se miran pasar, se ven alegres, se ven dichosas, parece ser que se van a rumbear. Se ven alegres, se ven dichosas, parece ser que se van a rumbear. Y yo no me quiero quedar, y yo no me
Barranquilla is going to be the biggest city that I've come to since leaving Bogota. There's about 2.5–3 million people who live here. And it's really famous for music, particularly salsa. It also has the second biggest carnival in the world. Oh, it's double I have a police escort into Barranquilla. They're stopping traffic for me and everything. I have a policeman in back, and I have a policeman in front. Oh my gosh, I'm coming into Barranquilla, and I got my first flat of the trip, and of course it's a flat on my roll-off, which I have never changed, on the rear tire. I mean, I've looked at YouTube videos and, you know, somebody showed me, you know, I think it was Jonathan at Rose City Recumbents when I first had it installed. He showed me how to do it, but my God, that was like well over a year ago, maybe even close to 2 years ago. And so we really struggled. I mean, we struggled to get the piece of glass out of the tire. The policeman, Alexander, my new buddy, like he used a pocket knife and we, oh my God, I had a pair of tweezers. We tried so many different things. We finally got it out. So, and then of course I patched up the tube, and then I had a heck of a time getting the tire back on. There was 2 other policemen that showed up, and then finally we did it. Oh my God, what a deal. What an adventure. Welcome to Barranquilla. Yeah, this is my buddy here. My buddy Alexander. And I will always remember his name because his last name is Santa Maria. And I was born in Santa Maria, California. So I will always remember his name. What a nice guy. And he's kind of taking me a roundabout way to get to my hotel because he said the way Google had routed me was too dangerous. And I thought, but you're a policeman, like, what difference does it make? But it was like apparently so dangerous he doesn't want to go. So we're going a different way. I think I'm pretty close to my hotel right now. And like when we go through intersections, he gives me he puts out the lights and even even makes the sirens. When we turned onto this street, there were like 6 policemen who stopped all traffic in both directions so I could cross the road, and I had no idea they were doing it for me. And so I was so stunned I didn't have time to get out my camera, but oh my gosh, it was amazing. Man, Barranquilla sure knows I'm here. Welcome to Barranquilla. Oh yeah, here we go. Hotel El Prado, I think this is it. I think this is it, yeah. Oh. ¿No? Sí, es Hotel El Prado. Sí. Oh, yeah, El Baño, sí. Hey.
Bueno, Sofía, chao.
Oh.
Chao, Sofía. ¿Se cuida yo?
Oh.
Se cuida mucho, bueno.
Ah,
Juiciosa.
fantástico. Mua.
Chao.
Chao. Buena suerte.
Bueno, chao.
Ciao. Okay, that was just amazing. Really, really amazing. Hola. Es bueno, ¿ah? Oh, fantástico. Okay. Estoy aquí
llama,